In this video, let me show you how to set up a family plan inside of Pandora. If you are trying to log into different devices as well as play songs simultaneously on different devices, the only plan that lets you do it is the family plan. So the way that you set it up is by heading over to the upgrade section on the top right of the screen. And right here inside of the Pandora Premium, you'll have the option called family. It says right here you can add up to 6 accounts. So this means you are able to play or invite other members of your family, or you can just invite yourself from a different account, and then you'll be able to play songs simultaneously on multiple devices. So if this is something that you're trying to go for, you can just add in your payment details and make sure that you subscribe to the family plan. You do have the 60-day free trial to check it out and see if you like it or not. Before the trial ends, make sure you cancel the subscription if you don't want the family plan anymore. So that is the exact way that you set up the family plan inside of Pandora. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.